Hey everyone, we are back with one more quick review session. Today we are memorizing lab values with some easy mnemonic. So let's get started then. So first is calcium. So calcium in the body is stored in bones and teeth, giving them structure and hardness. So we need to know the normal value of calcium. Let's memorize it with very easy way. So if an NCLEX asks you for the calcium, then call 911. So the normal value for the calcium is 9 to 11 mg per dl. And next is sodium. So sodium is located in the blood and in the fluid around cell. Sodium helps the body keep fluid in a normal balance and it is play a key role in normal nerve and muscle function. For the sodium, remember the first odd number series. It's 135. So in the sodium normal value, it's 135 to 145 MEq per liter. Then what about potassium then? So potassium main role in the body is to help maintain normal level of fluid inside our cells. Potassium also helps to muscles to contract and supports the normal blood pressure. Vital source of potassium is banana. So remember the normal value with the help of banana. So usually we are buying 3 to 5 bunches of banana in which half are ripped so we can eat. So the normal value for the potassium is 3.5 to 5 MEq per liter. Next is magnesium. So magnesium regulates diverse biochemical reactions in the body, including protein synthesis, muscles and nerve functions, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. So for the magnesium, think about magnifying glass. So through the magnifying glass, you can see objects 1.5 to 2 times bigger than the normal one. So in this way, you can remember the normal value of magnesium very easily. It's 1.5 to 2 MEq per liter. The next is hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is transporting oxygen from the lungs to the tissue and facilitating the return transport of carbon dioxide. So for the hemoglobin, you need to remember two values for the male and for the female too. So the high for the male and low for the female. So high for the male, that means 14 to 18 gram per dl, which is normal value for the male. And low for the female means 12 to 16 gram per dl is a normal value for the female. The next is hematocrit. Hematocrit measures how much of person blood is made up of RBC, red blood cells. Let's make this so easier then. Multiply the hemoglobin value with the 3 and you get your hematocrit normal values. How then? So as per that, your normal male hematocrit level is 42 to 54%, and for the female, it's around 36 to 48%. Next is WBC. So, WBC are responsible for protecting your body from infection. For the WBC, you remember that you want to buy a car between $5,000 to $10,000. And here is the normal value for the WBC. It's 5,000 to 10,000. Next is platelets. So platelets is to prevent and stop a bleeding. If a blood vessel is damaged, the blood body sends a signals to platelet which cause them to travel to the injured area. Once the platelets arrive at the site, they clump together and form a clot that helps stop bleeding. So remember the normal value of the platelet with the cost of dining plate set. If you're gonna buy a dining plate set, then it normally costs you around 150 to $400, right? So through that cost, you can remember the platelet normal value around 150,000 to 400,000 per MEQ. Next is blood glucose. So in that, think about the energy which is start declining at the year of older age around 70 to 100 year of age. So for that, according to that value, you can remember the blood glucose value around 70 to 100 mg per dl very easily. The next is hemoglobin A1C. So this test measures average blood glucose level of the past 2 to 3 months. So remember this value after 3 comes 4, 5 and 6. So for this normal value, blood glucose level must between 4 to 6%. The next is blood urea nitrogen. So the blood urea nitrogen test measures the amounts of urea nitrogen in your blood. Urea nitrogen is a waste product that your kidney removes from your blood. Higher than a normal blood urea nitrogen level may be a sign that your kidney aren't working well. So for that, blood urea nitrogen, remember use your cost of bun. So it's cost you around $10 to $20, right? So the normal value for the bun is 10 to 20. Last is creatinine. So this test is done to see how well your kidney works. So in the creatinine, focus on that 9 digit. So 6 is opposite of a 9. So now you are multiply 6 with the 12 2 and you have a creatinine normal value. What? How? Yes, you have, which is around zero point 0.6 to 1.2 mg per dl. So, thank you for the watching guys. I hope you like this video. For more informative videos, don't forget to follow. Bye bye guys.